the NRM chairman for Agago. I want to say a big thank you to the people of Agago and Acholi sub-region for the overwhelming support given to NRM government. I'm so happy to report that as the chairperson coordinating Agago and Acholi sub-region, we actually did very well, and Agago is the best in all northern Uganda, northwest Nile, Lango, and Acholi sub-region. But on average, Acholi sub-region also was the best with 84%. Agago got 88.7%, and we are so happy for that. After the elections, I think we did really well, and as Agago district per se, we managed to send most of our candidates under the flag. Of course, there are others that missed. That happens in democracy, and we accept the defeat with a clean heart. I want just to say that this is not now a time for elections. We are calling for members to be united and work for the benefit of our win. What does this win mean for us? It means that service delivery, this time we have to follow it with the government and ensure that they also give us something which is worth our voting pattern, and therefore this should be the collective effort of everybody and every party members. We shall be putting our heads together and make a special request in that regard, because ours was a competition that we said that the best district needs to be awarded something. So let's come together and rally our head together and look for the best thing for the district. We need a unified ground so that we also advocate as a team. That is the biggest thing that I want to encourage every party member to rally behind all of us, the leaders, and we work together. There is no now party structure in all this. We want all the district leaders, the different positions. Let's just rally together and plan best for the people of Agago and Acholi sub-region. So that's what I can really say.
Now, Honorable, beside that past election, again, we have ahead of us, we have the speakership race, which now, when you look at speakership race, we have it at the district level, we have it even at the national level.
Yes.
Now, let's first look at the national level. At NRM, we still have the election ahead of us. What should have been done first to endorse somebody or to say this one is not competent?
That's a good one. I know at the national level, we don't really have much say as the district chairperson, but just as a president, which has already been set before through the meeting of the central executive, they already set a precedent that somebody who have been a speaker once will again go back for the second time, then the deputy speaker will follow. So I think that is why he did not really need the caucus to come and take the decisions. Well, until that decision is overturned, you cannot just all of a sudden now come on and change it. So if they want to change that, another SEC meeting needs to be held that will overturn that decision which has already been set as a precedent. So in law you have to follow that. So for now, really, as it is, we will, as a party, will go on with our speaker, who is now declared and supported by the all party member, Triple A, together with Honorable Taeba as the deputy speaker. That is as a party position, and that is democracy, really. At the district level, that is where, as the NRM chairperson, will have a say. I've seen so many people have expressed interest in Agago. That is good for our democracy. But of course, I want to advise them that until we do our district caucus, all of them really need to shape their mind and idea to work as a party. So that is the core thing that I want each one of them to know. So we still encourage many people to come out. We will organize a caucus meeting at the district, and we will therefore inform them what will be the next step that they will need to take before the time they could have their first sitting and swearing in. So for now, really, we are planning for a meeting, and that meeting will help us to decide who will be. And we have a speakership I think that there are certain qualities that definitely as NRM we want to stand for. Of course, the best candidate always. And we want to encourage all those who are expressing their interest to really take keen interest to study the law and understand what the qualities are for the speakers. But as member of NRM and that I lead in the district, we want to really ensure that the speaker is somebody who will help us and champion the directions in which the government is also running, and that does not conflict with the interests of the government, but also to somebody who will be able to take decision in the house that will also bring development that is tangible and can be seen on our people working together with of course the district executive. And so this is very important quality. But above all, somebody who can also help to mobilize for the party and the government, because it's important. If somebody is also not pro the party lineage, why do I say this? Because we actually have 39 councillors out of the 52. Therefore, we are the majority in the House, and therefore we are going to make sure that we run the government as in line with the central government. And therefore, somebody who is coming must also have that mindset. And I know that our district chair is an independent, so that means at some point also he needs to come and sign an MOU to work together with us as NRM government, because that way we will have to flow together to ensure that we develop the district together. So some of the qualities really, we are also setting certain bars that we require. So I want them to have a reflection that, do I really fit this job as a speaker for the district? We are not going to really talk at the local level of divisions and something. Just have the right quality that you can lead the district to the next level, especially in taking decisions, economical decisions, and sometimes for the benefit of our members of the community. Yes. And then probably really after the speaker elections, we will now move to looking at the manifestos. How will it be implemented? And this is very important, that people should know that after we have voted, so what next? We want to pursue the line of development so that people really need to develop. If you are aware, the president was in northern Uganda, in Gulu on the 14th, and therefore he has also accepted the program which is being championed by Chief Justice Emeritus of Pacho. The ingredients of Pacho, I want to implore everybody in Acholi and Agago to take that as a very important initiative, and all of us as leaders need to show by example. And I want to call upon all the leaders of NRM to also be champion of Pacho in their different places. But the most important thing also, we have the OWC, and they are also in Agago. Can we also take the advantage of the seeds and the different programs that they are implementing, so that we have the economic leverage over the different places, or better still, catch up with other people. So these are some of the highlighted programs which is right now in Agago. If we take advantage of, we will never be the same as the people of Agago.
Now, Chair, how many people so far have defected now from other parties to join the mighty in Agago?
In Agago, we have quite a number of people who have defected. The last time that I met two separate teams from Agago County and Agago West, who I think total of them could be about 550. And I want to say that this is so good, and we want to meet and welcome them officially to the party at some point. And by that, we want to let them enjoy crossing to the party. We are planning some programs for them, so that they also become integral part of the members of the party, so that they also join and enjoy the party, and want to thank them for the decision they have taken.